Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to get to Instagram app in your iPhone device. So this is actually impossible to install to Instagram application from the App Store, or finding out any clone application that's going to clone your Instagram to get to Instagram application in your iPhone device like Android devices. But I will show you how to get to Instagram application in your iPhone device. Open up the Safari browser, then find out the official website of Instagram. Then log into your account. Once just log in here on your account, you just have to exit from the Safari, but before this you have to go click on share. Then you have to scroll down to find out this one, add to home screen, then click on add. As you can see, we got an Instagram here on our iPhone. When I just bring up here beside of my Instagram application, you can see we got two Instagram, and this is cool. So let's go ahead to try is it working. I'm just going to open the official Instagram and I check out for the Instagram we added from the Safari. These are all working great, but on the added Instagram you can just check out for the reels and messages, not just all the stuff you got here on your Instagram application. So this is all how to get to Instagram application on your iPhone device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.